A timeless wonder, the Great Wall of China. Stretching over 13,000 miles, it is one of the most iconic structures in human history. Built to protect and unify, it stands as a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of ancient civilizations. Imagine a structure so vast it can be seen from space. This colossal feat of engineering is not just a wall, but a series of walls and fortifications that have been built, rebuilt, and maintained over millennia. A ribbon of stone and earth snaking across mountains and deserts. It traverses rugged terrains, from the arid deserts of the Gobi to the lush mountains of northern China, showcasing the diverse landscapes it protects. This is the Great Wall of China, a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. Constructed using a variety of materials including earth, wood, bricks and stones, it reflects the resourcefulness of the people who built it. For centuries it has stood as a silent guardian, a symbol of China's enduring spirit. It has witnessed the rise and fall of dynasties, the ebb and flow of empires, and the relentless march of time. But how has this ancient marvel withstood the test of time? The answer lies in its robust construction and the continuous efforts of those who have preserved it. What secrets lie within its weathered stones? Each stone tells a story of the past, of the laborers who toiled, the soldiers who defended, and the emperors who commanded its construction. The Great Wall is not just one wall, but a series of fortifications built and rebuilt over centuries. It evolved with the needs of the time, adapting to new threats and incorporating new technologies. Each dynasty added its own chapters to the wall's story, leaving behind a legacy that continues to captivate the world. From the Qin dynasty's initial construction to the Ming dynasty's extensive renovations, each era left its mark. Join us as we journey through time, uncovering the secrets of the Great Wall's enduring strength and the lessons it holds for our own future. Discover how this ancient structure continues to inspire and what it can teach us about resilience, unity, and the power of human endeavor. Forging empires, the purpose behind monumental structures. These grand edifices were not merely feats of engineering, they were the very essence of a civilization's ambition and vision. The Great Wall whispers tales of ancient battles and powerful empires. Stretching over 13,000 miles, it is a testament to the determination and resilience of the Chinese people. It stands as a reminder of a time when China was divided, vulnerable to nomadic tribes seeking to claim its riches. The wall was a response to these threats, a colossal effort to protect the heartland from invasions. The wall was more than just a physical barrier, it was a symbol of power, a line drawn in the sand. It represented the might of the Chinese Empire and its ability to mobilize vast resources for a common cause. It declared to the world, this is where our empire begins. This is the boundary of our civilization, a clear demarcation of our cultural and political influence. Massive construction projects like the Great Wall were not unique to China. They were a common feature of ancient civilizations, each leaving behind monumental legacies. Across the ancient world, civilizations invested vast resources in building monumental structures. These projects were a reflection of their values, beliefs, and technological advancements. From the pyramids of Egypt, which served as grand tombs for pharaohs and a testament to their divine status, to the Colosseum in Rome, a marvel of engineering that hosted gladiatorial games and public spectacles, showcasing the might and culture of the Roman Empire. These projects served multiple purposes. They protected borders, showcased technological prowess, and demonstrated the organizational capabilities of the state. They honored gods and rulers, serving as places of worship and as monuments to the leaders who commissioned them. Most importantly, they fostered a sense of unity and shared identity among their people. These structures were a source of pride, a tangible representation of their collective achievements and aspirations. Whether in Asia, Africa, Europe, or the Americas, monumental structures have always played a crucial role in shaping the identity and legacy of civilizations. They are the silent witnesses to human history, standing tall through the ages, reminding us of our shared past and the enduring spirit of human ingenuity. Building for eternity, engineering the Great Wall. The Great Wall's longevity is a testament to the ingenuity of its builders. Imagine constructing a massive wall without modern machinery, relying solely on human labor and basic tools. The builders used whatever materials were readily available, including earth, stone, and timber. The wall's core was often made of rammed earth, a surprisingly durable material created by compacting layers of soil. This core was then faced with stone or brick, providing additional strength and protection against the elements. Watchtowers, strategically placed along the wall, served as lookout points and barracks for soldiers. They provided a vantage point to monitor the horizon for potential threats. A legacy preserved the role of maintenance and restoration. The Great Wall, like any ancient structure, bears the scars of time. Centuries of exposure to the elements, coupled with human activity, have taken their toll. Yet the wall still stands, thanks in part to ongoing maintenance and restoration efforts. Throughout history, dynasties have recognized the importance of preserving this symbol of Chinese identity. They allocated resources for repairs, reinforcing weakened sections, and rebuilding collapsed watchtowers. Even today, conservation efforts continue, employing a blend of traditional techniques and modern technology to protect the wall for future generations. Section 5, Nature's Embrace, Environmental Factors in Preservation. The Great Wall's location has played a surprising role in its preservation. The dry climate of northern China, with its minimal rainfall, has helped slow down the process of erosion. The wall is literally baked by the sun, further hardening its materials. Ironically, the wall's remote location, once a challenge for its builders, has become an advantage. Far from the pollution and congestion of major cities, the wall enjoys a cleaner environment, reducing the impact of acid rain and other pollutants. Section 6. Beyond bricks and mortar, the cultural significance of the Great Wall. The Great Wall is more than just bricks and mortar. It is a symbol of China's enduring spirit. It represents the collective effort of countless individuals who labored tirelessly to protect their homeland. The wall's story is woven into the fabric of Chinese history, inspiring countless poems, paintings, and legends. Today, the Great Wall is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting millions of visitors each year. Tourists from around the globe come to marvel at its grandeur, to walk in the footsteps of emperors and soldiers, and to connect with China's rich history. Section 7, Ancient Marvels, Modern Lessons, Sustainability and Preservation. The Great Wall's enduring legacy offers valuable lessons for our own time. It reminds us of the importance of long-term thinking, of building structures that can withstand the test of time. The wall's builders did not have access to modern materials or technology, yet they created a structure that has endured for millennia. We can learn from their resourcefulness, their ability to work with nature rather than against it. The Great Wall's integration with the surrounding landscape is a testament to the ingenuity of its builders. They understood the importance of sustainability long before the word was coined. Section 8, The Great Wall and Beyond, Inspiring Curiosity and Exploration. The Great Wall of China is just one example of the many ancient wonders that dot our planet. Stretching over 13,000 miles, it is a marvel of engineering and human determination. From the pyramids of Giza, which have stood for over 4,500 years, to the mystical ruins of Machu Picchu nestled high in the Andes, and the enigmatic Stonehenge in England, these structures stand as testaments to the ingenuity and resilience of our ancestors. They were built with primitive tools, yet they have withstood the test of time, weathering the elements and human conflict. They invite us to explore the past, to walk in the footsteps of those who came before us, and to marvel at their achievements. To unravel the mysteries of ancient civilizations, we must delve into their stories, their cultures, and their innovations. Each stone, each artifact, tells a tale of human endeavor and creativity. These wonders connect us with the threads of human history that bind us all. They remind us that despite the passage of time, the essence of human spirit remains unchanged. So the next time you gaze upon a photograph of the Great Wall, let your imagination soar. Picture the vast landscapes it traverses, the mountains it climbs, and the valleys it descends. Imagine the countless hands that labored to build it, the battles fought to defend it, and the stories whispered within its walls. Each brick, each stone is a piece of history, a fragment of a larger narrative. The battles fought in ancient times were not just for territory, but for survival, for culture, and for legacy. These stories are etched into the very fabric of these structures. Let it inspire you to learn more, to delve deeper into the annals of history, and to seek out the stories that have shaped our world, to explore the world around you, to travel to these ancient sites and to experience firsthand the awe and wonder they inspire, and to appreciate the enduring power of human ingenuity. These ancient wonders are not just relics of the past, they are beacons of human achievement, guiding us to a future where curiosity and exploration continue to thrive.